Today we've got a very nice 2021 Timpte 42-footer, 66-inch sides, 2 rows of 7 lights, 8 aluminum rims, Ag hoppers. It has a newly installed lockdown brand electric tarp kit. We converted it from a manual system. Again, the electrical components are brand new on this unit. It's got a remote box on the front. See, it is titled a 2021. It's got air gauge dump valve on the front. Look this trailer over pretty close and I'll walk you around it. I just can't find the mark on it. Original owner traded it. He really took pride in his equipment. See this trailer in person, you see the shine, see the lack of any corrosion on it. It is equipped with the kingpin enclosure, 2-speed landing gear, crank handle. Again, you can look at that trailer, just don't know that it's seen much salt at all. Got your manual backup handle stored up in the apex of the trailer. It's got the Timpte Lo-Torq doors on it. It's got a CB-2300 air ride on it. Cooper 11R 24.5 radial tires. These are the original. You can see the pride this previous owner took in his equipment, the shine on those rims, the center caps. Pretty good tread on those original tires left. Look up over the kingpin or the suspension of the trailer. You know, you got no debris hung up there. Ding and dent wise, very, very nice. Got a stainless steel panel on the back. Customer wanted a clean look. No catwalk, no ladder, but a very clean look. Again, you look down sides of the trailer, no dings, no dents. Take a look at these brake shoes. I'd call those all a 70%. Would guess those are the original ones. Again, you've got to see this trailer in person to appreciate the shine on it. 4 more shiny aluminum rims over here, center caps. Again, pretty good tread left on those original Cooper radial tires. Looks like they're Model M RM872. I'll go ahead and walk you up along the passenger side here. You can see very, very clean trailer. Probably the cleanest used trailer we've got on the lot right now. One look at it will be obvious that the pride the previous owner had on it. I think we've got it priced right. Give me a call, Kyle at Wilson Trailer, 712-261-2681. If you have any interest. Thanks.